Let me ask you something right at the start. Where are you watching this video from? Drop the name of your city or even your country down in the comments. I absolutely love seeing the incredible places where our community is growing. It makes me feel like we're all connected on this journey to live longer, stronger, and healthier lives. Now let's talk about something very important. The body may get older, but the desire to live fully, with strength, independence, and joy, never fades. Once you reach your 60s and beyond, every single morning should begin with real energy, not with aches, fatigue, or that heavy feeling that everything is becoming more difficult. And here's the truth that very few people know. Sometimes the answer to this lack of energy and strength doesn't come from a pill, an expensive supplement, or a complicated treatment. It can actually come from something as simple as one spoonful of a natural flour blend made from powerful seeds and nuts. This isn't just about food, it's about feeding your body with exactly what it needs to fight aging, restore muscle strength, protect your heart, and even support your brain. Today I'm going to reveal the 8 secret ingredients of this super flour. Together, they can transform your breakfast into a natural treatment for muscle recovery and vitality. And before you think this is another trend or empty promise, let me assure you, this is about science, nutrition, and real results. If you've noticed that you've lost strength over the years, if you want to maintain independence, walk with confidence, and keep up with your family and loved ones, then this video was made for you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover something that could truly change your mornings and your life. Ingredient 1: flaxseed. Flaxseed is one of nature's most complete seeds, a true treasure for anyone over 60. It's packed with plant-based omega-3s, which are essential for reducing chronic inflammation, the silent enemy of aging bodies. But that's just the beginning. Flaxseed contains lignans and fiber that not only improve digestion, but also protect the heart and help your body absorb nutrients more effectively. What does that mean for you? Stronger muscles, fewer aches, better heart health, all at the same time. On top of that, flaxseed helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes that leave you tired and craving sugar. Adding flaxseed into your diet gives your body a solid foundation to start the day balanced, strong, and focused. Ingredient 2: chia seeds. Chia may be small, but don't let the size fool you. It's like rocket fuel for your body after 60. Rich in plant proteins, it supplies the amino acids your muscles need to recover and rebuild. Chia is also high in calcium, iron, and potassium, minerals that are vital for muscle contractions and bone strength. And here's something fascinating. Chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel that keeps you hydrated longer and makes you feel fuller. That means fewer cravings for processed foods and more steady energy throughout the day. With chia in your super flour, you'll notice not just better energy, but also improved recovery and even better digestion. Ingredient 3: sesame seeds. Sesame is often overlooked, but it's one of the richest plant sources of calcium, sometimes even more than dairy. And after 60, keeping your bones and muscles strong isn't just about comfort. It's about maintaining independence and avoiding falls. Sesame also delivers protein, magnesium, and healthy fats that keep your muscles and nervous system working at their best. On top of that, sesame seeds contain antioxidants called sesame and sesamolin, which protect your cells from oxidative stress, the same process responsible for premature aging. In short, sesame doesn't just strengthen your body, it shields it from time itself. Ingredient 4: sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are like nature's vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle cells from wear and tear, supports recovery, and reduces muscle soreness. Alongside vitamin E, these seeds also provide selenium, magnesium, and healthy fats that boost both your muscles and your brain. Think about this. Just by adding sunflower seeds to your daily mix, you're not only protecting your muscles, you're also giving your memory, focus, and mood a powerful ally. Ingredient 5: Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc, a mineral that keeps your immune system strong and helps regulate hormones. For men and women over 60, maintaining balanced hormones means more muscle mass, better energy, and even a healthier libido. These seeds also contain magnesium, which prevents cramps, supports muscle relaxation, and speeds up recovery. And let's not forget tryptophan, a compound that helps your body produce serotonin, improving mood and sleep quality. Better rest at night means more energy and repair during the day. Ingredient 6. Hemp seeds. Not very well known, but hemp seeds are one of the most complete plant proteins in the world. They contain all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot make on its own, making them a gold standard for muscle repair, especially as you age. They're also easy to digest, unlike some heavy protein powders, and they come with the perfect balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, reducing inflammation in your joints and protecting your heart. Hemp seeds are like giving your body premium quality fuel, clean, complete, and powerful. Ingredient 7. Quinoa. Quinoa isn't called a superfood for nothing. It's rich in complete proteins, iron, magnesium, and B vitamins that support energy production and fight fatigue. With its low glycemic index, quinoa provides long-lasting fuel without spiking your blood sugar. For older adults, that means steady energy all day long, faster recovery after physical effort, and fewer energy crashes. Quinoa is like the steady flame that keeps your inner engine running smoothly. Ingredient 8. Brazil nuts. And finally, Brazil nuts, also known as the king of selenium. Just 1 or 2 nuts a day can provide all the selenium your body needs. Selenium is a mineral that fights premature aging, supports muscle renewal, and protects brain health. Brazil nuts are also packed with good fats that reduce inflammation and support heart health, plus magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamin E. In other words, they are like a complete tonic for mature vitality. How to make your super flour? Making this flour at home is simple. Take 2 tablespoons of each seed: flaxseed, chia, sesame, sunflower, pumpkin, hemp, quinoa, flakes or lightly toasted, and Brazil nuts, chopped. Put everything into a blender or food processor and grind it into a coarse flour. Store it in a glass jar, in a cool, dry place. It will last up to 15 days outside the fridge, or 30 days if refrigerated. And how should you use it? Just 1 tablespoon a day is enough. Sprinkle it over fruit, yogurt, oatmeal, or even blend it into your smoothie. Think of it as your daily insurance policy against fatigue, muscle loss, and premature aging. Reaching 60 or beyond doesn't mean slowing down. It means making smarter choices about how you take care of your body, your mind, and your energy. This super flour is not a miracle. It's a daily habit that gives your body the right nutrients at the right time. Every seed in this mix has a purpose: to rebuild, protect, and strengthen. It's a small habit with a huge impact. Try it tomorrow morning and feel the difference. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these seeds do you already use in your daily life? Write it down in the comments. I'd love to know your favorites. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share it with a friend who could use a boost of energy, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more natural health tips designed especially for you. Stay strong, stay vibrant, and I'll see you in the next video.